Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offers on the application of Sample Guys. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will search about the application of Sample Guys and you will click. Here we go to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.